Hello students, welcome in this sessions. Today we are going to learn how to reduce this type of equations in the general form of linear equations and how to find the solution of this equation. Now first we have to consider that here 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1, and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. These two equations are given. For that, now see here in these both equations which variables are there. These variables are in the denominator. Means these equations are not given in the standard or general form of equation. So we have to reduce this variable and then we have to create the new variable and we have to write this equation in the standard or general form of equation. For that we have to consider 1 upon x plus y, which variables are there in the denominator. For that we have to consider here a, and 1 upon, see here it is x minus y, it is equal to b. Means we created here new variable for 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. Now we will substitute these variables in this equation and then we can write new form of equation as 10 into 1, this is nothing means here 1 upon x plus y, and for that we consider here a, plus 2 into here 1 upon x minus y means it is b, it is equal to 4. Therefore 10a plus 2b it is equal to 4, and this is equation number 3. Similarly, after substituting these values in the second equation also we can get 15a minus 5b it is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 4. Now which equations we got here? These are in standard or general form of linear equation. Now we can solve these equations easily by the elimination method. Now for that elimination method also we have to equate their coefficients. Here if you want to eliminate a, then here it is 10 and 15. If you want to eliminate b term, then here it is 2 and 5. So first we have to make their coefficients equal. So how we can make their coefficients equal? For that we have to find the LCM of these two numbers, means 2 and 5. So the LCM of this two number is 10, and by which number we have to multiply these two, then we will get 10. Here we can multiply this by 5 because 5 2s are 10, and here this equation here 5b, this 5b we have to multiply by 2, then only you will get here 10b, and then plus 10b and minus 10b we can cancel, and then we will get the equation in one variable. Therefore, now after multiplication we will get this next equations 10a into 5, 50a, plus 2b into 5, 10b, it is equal to 4 5s are 20. This is equation number 5. And the next equation 15 into 2, we have to multiply by 2 to this whole equation. 15 into 2, that is 30a, minus 10b, it is equal to minus 2 2s are 4. Sorry, we have to add this equation. Adding equation 5 and 6. Therefore 50a plus 10b is equal to 20, plus 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. By adding only we can cancel this, or we can eliminate b term, means b variable. So here 10b and minus 10b will cancel. You will get here 80a is equal to 20 minus 4, it is 16. Therefore a is equal to 16 upon 80, and it is equal to, now we have to write in the simplest form, 16 1s are 16, 16 5s are 80. So we got this value of a is 1 upon 5. This value of a we have to substitute in any one of the equation, which is 5 equation or 6, or here also equation number 3 or equation number 4. In any one of the equation we have to substitute this value of a. Now I am substituting this value of a in the equation 3. Substituting a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. Therefore, we can get now here equation number 3 is 10a. 10 into value of a is 1 upon 5 plus 2b. It will come as it is equal to 4. Therefore, now this 10 into 1 upon 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 2 into 1 it's 2 only, plus 2b, it is equal to 4. Therefore, 2b, this 2 we have to take to this right side of equal to sign, 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, b is equal to this 2 upon this 2, which is equal to 1. Now here we got the value of a and b, which variables we created for this term, 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. Again we have to resubstitute these values, and then we will get the new equations as resubstituting values of a and b. Values of a and b, we can get now here 1 upon x plus y is equal to, we consider a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. Therefore, 1 upon x plus y is equal to, value of a is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon x minus y is equal to, value of b is 1. Therefore, now by the cross multiplication, because this x plus y is in the denominator, we can do the cross multiplication. So x plus y into 1 is x plus y. It is equal to 5 ones are 5. This is equation number 7. And now when we multiply here, 1 upon nothing is here, again 1 upon 1. Here also by the cross multiplication we will get x minus y is equal to 1. That is equation number 8. Now like this we got here equation number 7 and 8 as x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Again we have to solve these equations. Now these equations we got here in the standard or general form of linear equation, and then we have to find the values of x and y, which is the solution of the equation. So here already their coefficients are same. In these both equations, coefficient of x term is same and the coefficient of y term is also same. But here the coefficient of x terms are positive, and here one number is positive and one number is negative. When their signs are different, we have to add. Therefore, adding equation 7 and 8, we can get now here x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, this plus y minus 5 will cancel. 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Substituting value of x, substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 7. Now we can get equation 7 is x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution of the equation is x is equal to we got here value 3 and y is equal to 2, which is the solution of the given equation. This process is lengthy. but we can solve it easily. I hope you have understood this whole method how to solve by reducing the variables and writing these equations in the standard or general form of linear equation. Thank you, students. In the next period we will learn about the word problems. Thank you.